Hello everyone, Nishant here from learnqaskill. In today's video, we are going to learn about user acceptance testing. In user acceptance testing, we will be learning about alpha testing and the beta testing. So let's first discuss what is user acceptance testing. So the user acceptance testing is a type of testing which is performed by the end user or the client to verify or accept the software application before moving it to the production environment. And UAT is a final phase of testing. After the functional testing, integration testing and system testing is done, the user acceptance testing is conducted. The main purpose of UAT testing is to validate the software against the business requirement, and this testing is done by end user or the client who are familiar with the requirements. UAT does not focus on cosmetic errors, spelling mistakes or system testing. User acceptance testing is carried out in a separate environment with a production like data setup. Means the exactly same replica of production environment is created. In that environment, the UAT testing is conducted. There are two types of user acceptance testing, alpha testing and beta testing. So first is a alpha testing. So alpha testing is a final stage of a acceptance testing, and it's performed by the testers who are part of the organization to ensure that the product functionality are working correctly as per the requirement. And this testing is conducted before the actual software application making available to the client or the people outside of the organization. Alpha testing is performed at the developer sites within the organization in the testing environment, where the developers and testers both are involved into it. The main goal of alpha testing is to identify the task that the user might perform at the real time while using the application, identify those kind of tasks and test them. After the testing is done, means after the alpha testing is done, if there is any issues or bugs are found, so developer starts immediately working on those identified issues or bugs. Second is a beta testing. Beta testing is a second type of acceptance testings performed by the client or end user who are not part of organization, and it's performed in the real-time environment. And it is the final test before delivering or before shipping the product into the live environment or the product environment. The beta version of a software is released to a limited number of end users of product to obtain the feedback on a product quality. After beta testing is done, feedback is received from the client or end users, and that feedback is usually implemented as a future versions of the software application.